What's up, everyone? Welcome back at it. It's your boy Big O, back at it again with the Madden '06 Rams rebuild. And last episode, we kind of lost. We lost a big game in the preseason against the Chiefs, 41-0. I did really bad, terrible. I think it was I think I did that. So what we're gonna do is we made some changes towards the end of the video. I got Quincy Carter for our backup. Aaron Rodgers is still our starter for now, but we're gonna see. He has a 7-year contract, so we're gonna see where we're gonna go. Steven Jackson, he's doing amazing. Joey Goodspeed, that hunk did us a solid in preseason week 1, and Tim Brown. Yeah, we're looking fabulous. So if there's any changes I need to do, I'm gonna do it right away. So let's get right into it. Niners versus Rams. This is an interesting rivalry because it goes back to I want to say LA. It goes back to LA. This week we're gonna use the old school jerseys. Come on, they're not gonna let us. So we'll do the old school Rams jerseys. 49ers, dang. This is gonna be a one heck of yo, Jeremy Shockey. I don't like your receiving yards number. Change that shit. I'm praying for you, brother.
As the crowd continues to file in, we get set to bring you another exciting game. A much-anticipated game now upcoming with San Francisco and St. Louis.
Week 1, St. Louis Rams versus San Francisco 49ers. I'm still planning to move this team to LA.
Both teams have taken the field, and the season is about ready to get started. And is just about ready to kick this one away.
Let's get into it.
From the 6-yard line, the 20.
Tim Brown back at it in the Bay Area for the first time. He said, fuck St. Louis. Tim Brown's
he tucks it away.
Ooh.
Gardner comes up to make
Over.
the play at the 25-yard line.
Tim Brown's a good one, bro.
Holt is lined up on the right. Hands it off. They'll go with a play fake. Sack. Douglas explodes across the line at the snap and then makes his way to the quarterback.
This is Aaron Rodgers' season debut.
As a pass rusher. Explosive.
Well, John, the best rivalry in the NFC West, the Rams against the 49ers.
Yeah, there always seems to be a little more adrenaline flowing in a rivalry game like this one.
Looking for room. Rump with the tackle. Steven Jackson is denied.
I don't know.
Those kind of runs won't do much
Right.
for you on 3rd and medium to 3rd and long.
This team better be sharp because we're gonna make some
into the game for the
plays.
punt.
We're over here in Candlestick Park.
Here's the punt.
Man,
The officials
I'll
are
say
trying to
one thing
determine
about the
where it went
Rams.
out of bounds.
One nice thing. As a diehard Raider fan, I will admit, Candlestick is better. Ooh, and this is a good matchup.
Woods moves in
Alex
motion.
Smith versus Aaron Rodgers. Rookie versus rookie.
Hands off to the tailback. Kennedy
This is
takes
good.
him down.
Tense, bro.
Barlow rumbles
Now this is
forward for a
this
gain
is
of
an
4.
important game.
First down marker just inside the 27. The Rams line up in a 4-3. Toss play to the left. Claiborne comes up to make the play. Good play by the linebacker to get into the backfield and stop the play for no gain.
I'll tell you, that comes from watching a lot of film and knowing the tendencies of the opponent. That was a heck of a play.
Smith with a man in motion.
Kennedy.
Throwing. He hits his receiver. Thomas is there for the tackle.
A smart coach would call this one.
6 on the play.
Heck, this is a good one to call.
First down marker just inside the 17. The Rams with a 4-man front. On the ground. Great fake. Hit as he throws. This one falls incomplete. Beasley was the intended recipient on that short throw. And this is the 6th play of this drive. The Rams line up in a 4-3. He tucks it away. Setting up play action. Gets rid of it. Drops the interception. Claiborne had his hands on it.
I think he was invisible out there. Wasn't even seen. That's a break for the offense.
And it's on its way. The try is good.
The field goal attempt is good.
They don't pick up very much yardage on that drive, but they do walk away with 3 points. It's on its way.
If Tim Brown gives us a touchdown this season, like I'm gonna be so
Brown
shocked.
takes this
Like,
one back to the 31-yard line. 1st and 10.
oh yeah. Speaking of Tim Brown, like he said he wanted to be part of the 3-man crew. So
Holt is on the right of the formation. On the call.
Rodgers
Play
is
action.
there.
Rolling right. Throws it. The pass was incomplete. Rodgers appeared to feel the pressure there.
That's what the defense
We're gonna
is
have to
talking
run.
about. Make this guy
We're gonna
throw
have
it
to run.
before he's ready. It's just that little split second early that can cause an incomplete pass or even an interception.
Gardner gets right in there and brings him down.
yeah, they know us from the back of our hands. That's one thing about the Niners. The Niners are really smart.
Holt is lined up on the right. Rolls out to his left. Throwing.
Ooh.
Almost intercepted. Missed opportunity.
What the defense is doing is they're watching the quarterback's eyes. They're pulling. They're in position so that whatever happens, the ball is in front of them. And that time, it almost got him an interception.
Battle into return. Here's the kick. They'll spot this one where it went out.
Give this one a try.
Ball right around midfield.
I'm about to trade that man. I don't know who he is, but I'll trade him for Sebastian.
The
Yeah.
Rams come out in a 4-3.
We're
Going
gonna-
to the air
this
on
is-
first down. This one falls incomplete,
Tackle
and the
him,
defense
Will
gets to him
Smith.
just as he lets it go.
Bro,
An
one thing
excellent
about
job
these
of
Niners
creating
jerseys
pressure
is I
and
wish
forcing a bad
did they
throw.
actually had let me know in the comments if they actually had this
The
in the game.
Rams line up
Like
in
I
a
don't know what
4-3.
game this was, but these look pretty as well. Even, like I remember even in early 2000s, because there's certain jerseys that where you just could buy, but they're not like actual like game worn jerseys.
Inside.
Like I don't think some people know that. But yeah, that's something to know about. It's pretty cool.
Gets rid of it.
The NFL
And he
does that
hits his
for
target.
certain
Battle.
fans.
Made the catch.
But yeah,
Was unable to get
the
first
Raiders
down.
used to have one where it's like all silver, and it was pretty dope as well, dude. I don't think they ever used that in games. They've only used like the
Lee is
silver
ready
like
to punt this one
patches
away.
with the white on it. But I kind of want to see like a lot of Raider fans want to see all black. I want to see like the silver in black. no like white or
Loose
anything.
ball. The 49ers are there to pick up the ball. They'll take the fumble all the way back. Touchdown. John, he was in the perfect place at the right time on that play. A fumble recovery and a touchdown.
San Francisco, dude.
Time to call a special teams play.
Get Niner fans, bro. You guys are different breeds.
Nedley comes in to attempt the point after.
Tim Brown just got sent back to like 1992 or something like that.
Kickoff team
That's
lines up.
Joey Goodspeed is gonna be
He
like,
got all of that one. A great kick
Brown, you fucked up. Like,
from the 1-yard line. The defense caused a fumble the last time out and ended up taking it back for 6. 1st and 10.
this is such an intense game.
And he's ridden out at the 35-yard line. And that's a gain of about 8. Ball on their own 35. Only one man in the backfield. Toss play to the left. Card makes the tackle. Jackson didn't have much to work with on that running play. 3rd and a deuce. Holt is lined up on the right. Dropping back.
Come on, Rodgers.
Closing in.
Get the first. No.
The defense made
I'm going for it.
Yeah, and that's the thing. When you have 4 down linemen, the 4 guys who have their hand in the ground are usually going to be the rushers, unless it's a zone dog. But they only had 3 guys, and that confused the offensive linemen about where the other rushers were coming from.
First down. First down. That's a 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 first down.
That was the most exciting play. Run up the middle for a yard or 2. But it sure gets your team fired up when they get the yards on 4th down and keep those chains moving.
Pressure.
Release that faster, Rodgers.
I'm not sure what he was thinking on that one. He must have been waiting on the routes to develop. And before his receivers could get open, he got leveled for a big loss.
Only one man back. It's the toss to the left. Douglas is the guy who's there to bring it down. Gain of about a yard there. So it's 3rd down and long. Holt lines up on the right side. They'll go with a play fake. Gives this one a ride to the left.
Oh!
Here's the guy they were trying to throw to deep. The teams have switched sides.
You can't even challenge that play. Was that a catch, though? Was that a catch? Was that a catch? Because I know before, like, 2004 or something. One. I don't know what it was. We'll never know, guys.
Hodges will come into this game to punt.
We'll never know.
Sets up to run back the punt. Here's the kick. He signals for a fair catch.
And that's what I thought, dude.
This defense might work.
Dude, that's Madden, bro. Like, we gotta.
Barlow, the deep man. Tosses it out to the right. Claiborne comes up to make the play. Barlow was dragged down before he could get to the line.
Oh, where's the bees? I need Brock Wilson. Brock Lesnar.
The Rams line up in a 4-3. Smith sends a man in motion. He gives it to the halfback. Claiborne makes the tackle. Barlow couldn't escape the pursuit and was cut down quickly. Lesnar is now on the sideline and he could be done for the day. Hargrove is the new defensive end in the game. Johnson lines up on the right side. With the pass, Fisher with the tackle. Lloyd won't find a way to get past the marker.
This is a good special
This
team.
is like gonna be like an intense like NFC West
This
rivalry
will be his
for the
second
next
punt
like
of the game.
4 seasons, bro. Maybe 5. I'm thinking about doing 5, but
And
I'm
he
sticking to
chooses
4
not
right
to
now.
return this
It
one.
depends.
Fair catch made
Right.
at the 32-yard line.
Ball on their own 32. Holt is lined up on the right.
They're like,
Hand off to the tailback. Missed.
oh
Comes up to
god,
make the play.
candlestick,
Interior
bro.
lineman John got off the ball very well on that
Candlestick.
play.
Yeah, and the
It's
key
that
to stopping
that
that
guy
kind of
called
run
the
is
sound,
exactly
bro.
that. Whoever fires off the line faster and gets better leverage is going to win those battles at the
Oh,
line.
It's batted away.
God. Was that Patrick
Aaron
Willis?
Rodgers is the injured player on the field. He'll be coming out for this next play, so we'll find out what the story is.
Oh no, guys.
So as they get set to try to convert, here's what both teams have done on third down. Holt lines up on the right side.
That changes everything for the game, guys.
Open field, and he's going to run. Diving tackle at the 34-yard line. 4th and 8. So an update now on the injury.
Okay, so
he serious in his
this
return.
straight shoulder, so he's good. Look at this
Hands
game.
it off.
At least Quincy
Fakes the
Carter.
handle. Under pressure, he can't escape.
Fucking shit, dude.
Look here, this is not what a quarterback is supposed to do on 4th down.
Yeah,
It's your
so
last shot.
basically,
You go for it.
like,
At
when I
least
was a
throw
kid,
it
I
up
used to,
there and
like,
give your
create
guy a
characters
shot.
and I would
A
put them in
sack is
teams. So my
definitely not what you're looking for
cousin's
here.
in one team, and yeah, my cousin Jake was in
Makes the stop. Now it goes for a gain of about 3.
He's in the game. I'm also in the game, so I'll be in the Raiders. So yeah, this rebuild's gonna be different. I know it's not like the normal rebuild returns, but hey, like it's my game save, so I'm gonna wanna post in and make it personal. Not a little, not too personal.
They'll go from the I formation. Johnson moves in motion. Drops back. Throwing. Can't catch it. Stone is the guy who's there to bring him down.
This is what I would call in this situation.
No way.
Watch, this is the thing. He looks like one of those downhill runners. He shows some power. Power gets him right into the end zone.
And that's probably what they're all doing right now. Go down. Ooh.
The kick is up. The point after is good. That's 17 unanswered points.
They just can't seem to stop him.
Well, that's more like the Raiders. I'm sorry, Niner fans. That's more like the Raiders. Y'all more like techie, like fucking Steve Jobs type shit. Like that's something that the Niners will never apply. The hyphy culture. Hot take. Sorry, had to say it.
Only one man back. Hand it off to the back.
Because I feel like the Raiders gear is so special. 49ers gear, like it's just a big SF. Like some people don't like wearing that sometimes, you know. But I get it, you know, it's a very important franchise. It has won 5 championships. But I'm just pretty biased, so don't listen. I'm not a delusional Raider fan, but
He decided to try and
I
pass
am
it.
at the same
He was
time.
taking so much heat, it was just kind of wobbled out of there.
Only one man back. Rolls out to his left. Pressure coming. Throws this one off balance. Ooh, nearly picked off.
Raiders is just
2-minute warning coming up.
nothing's working, guys.
Holt is on the right of the formation. Dropping back. Closing in. Wrapped up. That play was doomed from the start. No blocking up front.
You know, that might have been what happened. But no matter what, you should never lose that kind of yardage on a single play. That is just a case of trying to do too much with a football. Now, a smart coach would punt the ball here.
incoming punt will mark his 4th so far.
Great
They
kick.
run a fake. Pressure rolls
What
left.
the fuck?
Down he goes. The offense turns the ball over on down.
When a team gambles and makes it, the coach is a hero. If they fail, everyone will second-guess the coach all week long.
The Rams come out in a 4-3. Hand it off to the back. Lesnar records the tackle. So it's second down.
And here's a chance for the offense to make their move. The defense could be sending a blitz, so I'd go with something to my running back. A swing pass or maybe even a screen. If they execute, they could put this one in the end zone.
Thomas is there on the stop.
First and goal.
First and goal at the 5. They'll go from the I formation. Hand off to the tailback. He's brought down behind the line for a short loss.
A smart coach will call this one.
It's second and goal at the 5-yard line. Only one man back. To the end zone. Touchdown, San Francisco.
This is an option route. The receiver
We gotta
out,
score a
depends
touchdown.
on the defense
That's
he
our goal
sees.
right now.
But
We
the
have to
quarterback
score a
has to
touchdown.
see the same thing to make it work. Here, they're both on the same
I might have to
page,
bench
and they
Watcher
get a touchdown.
for like 4 games. I have to like discipline him, bro.
And it's on its way. The extra point attempt is good. Great run. 24 straight points.
They've really been playing some good football lately. They finally seem
Because
to
it's
have it all
fucking
put
Alex
together.
Smith. Alex Smith is
And returnable. This
fucking
one is
beast.
handled by Brown. Breaking free. Slips the tackle.
Ooh.
Brown takes this one back to
Tim
the 24.
Brown is like
Just over a
built
minute still
different,
to
you
go.
know, like growing up as a Raiders fan.
Holt is lined up on the right. With the carry. Refuses to.
Ooh.
Spencer with the stop. Jackson takes advantage of a little daylight. Picks up 3 yards. St. Louis will call a timeout here. They'll need a good pickup.
We've been
here
doing
to
this
make
shit
their way
since
further
LA,
downfield,
yes,
where they'll have to face a 3rd down situation. Holt lines up on the right side. Hand it off. Nice play fake. Gives this one a ride to the left. Incomplete as the defender knocks it away.
If they're thinking the defense might bring the blitz, a good way
So
to
we can
counter
get
that
down to that,
is with a
man.
screen. And that could be the call here.
The 49ers line up in the quarter defense. Harris is there for the tackle at the 33-yard line.
Now, smart coach would punt the ball here.
There's about 1 minute left.
No, we don't pump that shit.
Don't know why they're going for it here. You'd think they just punt. Young tackles him, but not before the first down is reached. St. Louis will stop it there. Less than 2 minutes to go in the half. Ball on their own 36. Holt is on the right of the formation. Handed off to the back. Great fake with the pass.
Oh my!
Loses the defender. Ball loose. Niners scoop it up.
Now, this is how they teach you.
God,
Watch this
bro.
one right here. Get in good tackling position, deliver a shot, and it knocks the ball right out of there.
Cross play to the left. Hands it off. Thomas is there on the stop. Nothing doing on that run to the outside.
That was
Oh,
just great
San Francisco.
pursuit. I'd look to call some misdirection plays to take advantage of their aggressiveness. Maybe a multiple handoff play or something like that to catch these guys out of position.
They give it to the halfback. Stiff arms the defender to the ground. Coakley is there for the tackle at the 18-yard line.
Heck, this is a good one to call.
They're in
We
field
just
goal
gotta do
range.
better next quarter. Either that or he's benched.
Big lead, and they're on the move again inside the 20. He hits his receiver. They'll spot this one at the 13-yard line.
Watch this. He stands him up, and he puts him right down. That's stopping in your tracks right there. Give this defense a shot.
He's benched next game. That's all I'm saying. He's benched next game.
Throwing. And he hits his target. San Francisco calls a timeout with under a minute left in the first half.
Well, that's what.
This is a good special teams play.
So this should be an easy 3. The kick is up. The kick sails through the uprights. That kick goes right through the uprights as he adds another 3 to the score. They pick up 3 points on the drive, but they can't be happy with that third down play.
Now, I'm not
We're
sure
down
now
by 27.
what separates good teams from playoff teams is the ability to execute in the red zone. And execute is the key word here. If you don't do it to them, then they can do it to you. I don't think they can do much more than just throw one long. So I'm sure the defensive coach is telling his guys, don't get beat deep.
Only one man in the backfield. Hands it off. They'll go with a play fake, trying something to the left. It's batted away.
God.
It's the end of the second quarter.
27.
San Francisco, 27.
Halftime. We're playing that shit. And they got the ball.
So both teams have come back out into the field as we get set for the second half. They'll return this one. From the 8-yard line. The 20. Puts it on the ground. The 49ers scoop it up. It's on the ground.
That's our team. That's our ball.
There to pick up the ball. The Niners were very hot at the outset, John, a fact that's reflected on the scoreboard.
Yeah, they sure turned it up a few notches. Coming in, I thought it was going to be more of a battle. It just hasn't turned out that way.
Top-notch tackle by the safety. They'll need to get the ball inside the 15 to convert for the first. Only one man back. He hands it off. Setting up play action. Under pressure. He goes down. 6 sacks. Not only is the offensive line getting outplayed, but the quarterback is holding onto the ball too long. As they get ready for this third down play, we'll take a look at how they've done today. Dropping back. Gets rid of it. Gets his hand on it. Spencer got up and knocked that pass away.
He has a knack for making a big play. That was another one right there.
Wilkins needs to hit this one perfectly to have a chance. The long field goal attempt is on its way. They miss it and still haven't scored in the game.
A smart coach would call this one.
This field goal, they'll set up shop at the 41-yard line. They line up in the I formation. Battle in motion. Looking to run it here. Little with the stop. Barlow takes advantage of a little daylight. Picks up 3 yards. Ball on their own 45. Johnson lines up on the left side. Drops back. With the throw, he finds his man. Claiborne is there for the tackle.
This defense is good.
1st and 10. Out of the I formation. Gets the pass off. Caught by the fullback on the left side. Fumble. Loose ball. The Rams.
Fumble.
Great play by the defense to recover the fumble.
Yeah, they were right there to jump on the ball.
And they're ready to go on offense after that fumble. They'll start at the 49. Polk is on the right of the formation. Pass play here on 1st down. Throwing. And he makes the grab. Spencer is there on the stop. They have to get the ball inside the 39 to convert. Only one man in the backfield. Smith comes up to make the play. Jackson is the injured player on the field. So
Steven Jackson.
Next play, so we'll find out what the story is. The Niners come out in a nickel package. Throws it. Nearly intercepted. Williams was his intended target.
Watch that game clock. You need to keep it stopped as much as possible.
The injury sustained earlier was minor, and they expect him to return to the game after a series or two. Gets rid of it, and he drops the pass. That one hit him in the hands, but he just couldn't hang on.
Pretty good play call on that one. Everything happened just as it's drawn up. Just couldn't hang on to it.
The backfield is empty, and they'll go with 5 receivers. Dropping back, deep pass looking for the end zone. He finds his man. Touchdown, Rams.
You better kick it here.
Touchdown, Rams. Let's try. I'm gonna just
Comes in
up
for
there.
the extra point. And it's on its way. The extra point attempt is good. The Rams are able to move a little closer. The Rams are ready to kick this one off. the 6. Breaks the tackle. Slips the tackle. Madden is able to get to the 31. Ball on their own 31. Barlow is the deep back. Smith sends a man in motion. Hands it off. Pick is there for the tackle. Barlow wasn't able to get anything going on that play. 2nd and 10. They'll go from the I formation. Stone comes up to make the play. They pick up 16 yards on 2nd down. Ball at about midfield. The Rams come out in a 4-3. Hand it off. Coakley stops him. Barlow battles his way forward for what appears to be a 2-yard pickup. First down marker just inside the 43. Johnson is on the right of the formation. Walker, the motion man. Gets the pass off, and it's intercepted.
Let's go.
Really would have been better served looking elsewhere on that play.
Spread the ball around and make sure the defense knows that they have to cover every receiver.
Holt lines up on the right side. Slings it to the outside. Off and running. And he is bumped out of bounds at midfield. Not quite far enough to pick up the first down.
Yeah, and the guy calling the plays loves this kind of situation. Because on 2nd and short, everything in the playbook is an option.
Drops back. Gets rid of it. He couldn't control it.
And there's not one wide receiver who can ever claim that he's never dropped a pass. It's just part of the game. Use all of the field when passing. Make sure the defense can't just sit there on any particular route. This team has to start converting on 3rd down if they're going to be successful.
Hand off to the tailback. Plummer makes the tackle, but it's beyond the marker, so they pick up a first down.
Keep an eye on the safety. Take advantage of the spots where the defense looks soft.
1st and 10. Tosses it out to the left. Ulbrich brings him down at the 41-yard line. They'll have to get the ball inside the 37 in order to convert. Dropping back. Gets the pass off. Jumps and makes the catch. Brought down by the last defender who could have made the tackle. Corey Holt is the injured player on the field. He'll be coming out for this next play, so we'll find out what the story is. It's 1st and goal at the 4. They weren't able to get into the red zone once in the first half, but here they are in the 3rd, inside the 20.
Run this play and finish off the drive. Find that end zone.
They need 5 yards for a touchdown. Only one man back. Carter makes the tackle at the 4-yard line. Trying to run it in on 2nd and goal. No dice. Just 4 yards from the goal line now. Gets the call. He's brought down behind the line for a short loss. No can do. The defense comes up with a stop on 3rd and goal.
You better kick it here.
Not much more than an extra point here. And it's up. And that kick is just inside the upright. The Rams chip away at the lead, but still need some breaks to get back in this one. Hodges will be kicking off. And he got all of that one. A great kick. This one is handled by Battle.
Ooh.
Defense looking for a 2nd straight interception.
I could see us winning.
1st and 10.
This is gonna be
Barlow,
an interesting
Smith
game.
with a man in motion. 3. 5-yard gain. Ball on their own 23. The Niners come out in the bunch formation. With the throw. And he dropped it. Woods was his intended
Let's
target.
go, let's go.
Johnson lines up on the left side. Throws it. And this pass is completed. Butler comes up to make the play. Woods made the catch, but was unable to get the first down.
This is a good special teams play.
This can be
Brown
like...
will go back to accept this punt. Here's the kick. He's waving for the fair catch.
Fair catch made at the
So at the end of the
29-yard
third quarter, the score is 27-10.
Look at that defense over there. You own these guys if you can just execute.
Torrey Holt returns after spending time on the sideline with an injury. Only one man in the backfield. He takes the delayed handoff. Ulbrich is there for the tackle.
Get the pass and look to the sideline. You can't let the clock run down here.
And they need about 9. Holt is on the right of the formation. Dropping back. Rolling right. Looking for the deep pass down the right side. He's caught after it looked like he was going to go all the way.
All right, you made it this far. Now pound the ball into the end zone.
They're inside the 15. Mason, the lone back, receives the handoff. Ulbrich makes the play at the 10.
You're in a
I
good
feel
position
the
here.
Torrey
Take the
Holt
snap,
connection
drop back
coming.
and let your guys get open. Don't force anything.
Holt lines up on the right side. Keeps it. And he is bumped out of bounds at the 3-yard line.
They're probably looking for the run here. You should throw it and hope you get a guy wide open.
And here's what they've been able to do so far on third down.
I think this defense looks forward to these third down situations because they've been stopping them today.
And they hurry up to the line. He gets the handoff on the delay. Stopped behind the line, lost him a couple. Didn't get the first down.
I fucked up.
But they're in one of those 4-down situations.
Listen.
They're trying to get something going. It's just that nothing's working.
The Rams with a 4-man front. Handed off to the back. Archuleta comes up to make the play at the 13. Second down, 2 to go. The Rams come out in a nickel package. Dropping back. Pickett gets to him in a hurry.
He really overpowered the blocker that time. He's a big, strong man.
The defense lines up in the nickel. It's the toss to the left. Thomas is there on the stop. That third down run comes up short, so we should see a punt here.
This is a good special teams play.
Lee will come in now to punt it away. Here's the punt. Fair catch.
Fair catch made at the 37-yard line. Take what you can get on this pass play, but don't fight for extra yards. You need to get out of bounds.
Holt is on the right of the formation. Deep pass looking for the end zone. He was
Oh!
And this is an incredible play by the defender. You know, he didn't look like he would be there in time, but he jumped over the top of everyone, and he got his hand on it to knock it away.
drops back. Looking for the deep pass down the right side.
Torrey Holt.
It's caught. Touchdown.
Touchdown.
Rams.
Touchdown.
So
Touchdown.
it's a long pass play, and it goes for the touchdown.
You better
We got a
take it here.
touchdown.
Wilkins comes in to attempt the point after. The kick is up. The extra point attempt.
We gotta
is
make
good.
crazy stuff. And I mean,
They
like,
done. They get good field position.
crazy
Exploit it
stuff.
immediately.
Well,
Shitty.
they had the perfect plays called. We'll see if the defense makes adjustments the next time they come on the field.
from the 3-yard line. Breaking free. Can't bring him. The 20. Madden takes this one back to the 26-yard line. 1st and 10. The backs are lined up in an I. Lesnar is there on the stop.
You should stop him
Lesnar
with
with
this
the
play.
tackle.
2nd and 10. The Rams come out in a 4-3. Battle the motion man. Hand it off. Law brings him down. The corner was able to wrap him up.
This is a good defense to call.
Ball on their own 27. The Rams come out in a nickel package. Smith with a man in motion. Fullback handoff. Claymore is there for the tackle at the 30-yard line.
This is a good special teams play.
Lee is back to punt.
Time to call
2-minute
a special
warning,
teams
guys.
play.
If I can do it, I can do it. But we're doing decent right now. It's the first game, but this game was critical. But we still got lots more to go against Alex Smith. You know,
Here's the kick.
this ain't the first time we're gonna see him.
And he signals for the fair catch.
Fair catch made at the 32-yard line. Watch that game clock. You need to keep it stopped as much as possible.
It's 1st and 10. Holt lines up on the right side. Throws it. Time is working against them.
Yeah, I'm thinking they're going to keep going to the end, but it might be a little too late. They're going to make the quarterback keep throwing because it's the only way that they have a shot at coming back.
Dropping back. Throwing. Plummer is there on the stop at the 48.
This is what they have to do. Keep making completions down the field and move the chain. Watch this one. He knows he's got to get the first, and he picks the right guy to throw it to.
Holt is lined up on the right. Rolls right. Takes some air under this one. Looking for his man deep.
Oh!
Incomplete as the defender knocks it away.
The defense should focus on keeping the receiver from getting to the sideline. Because as soon as he
Comebacks.
catches
We
the
gotta do the
ball, that's where he's going to want to go with it.
Rogers spreads them out. Launches this one to the right.
No.
Baseball's incomplete. No choice here, John. They just have to keep throwing.
Yeah, they do. Running the ball isn't going to do a whole lot of good now.
This is intense, guys.
Holt is on the right of the formation. On the run.
No.
And they have to go to the air because they need big plays fast.
That's right. You got to
No.
have composure in these situations. Find your receivers who can pick
Aaron
up
Rodgers
yards
is
after
doing
the catch.
amazing though today. I gotta give him props for that.
Chains moving.
Dropping back, looking for the long completion down the left side. Knocked away.
No.
Watch it here. This is one heck of a play by the defender on 4th down. He gets up there and he deflects the ball to save a big play.
Smith sends a man in motion. To carry it. Pickett is there for the tackle. St. Louis will call a timeout here.
You should stop him with this play.
They need to reach the 38-yard line to convert. The Rams with a 4-man front. Looking upfield. Copley with the stop. Barlow takes advantage of a little daylight. Picks up 3 yards. Claiborne stops the clock with that timeout.
This is a good defense to call.
Just over a minute still to go.
Can this be
The Rams line up in a
his
4-3.
last?
Battle goes in motion. They give it to the halfback. Copley comes up to make the play.
Time to call a special teams play.
Lee comes into the game for the punt.
At least we didn't get blown out. That's what I. Okay, they're just wasting it.
Here's the punt. Into the end zone. Touchback.
Get the pass and look to the sideline. You can't let the clock run down here.
So they have 1st and 10 here. The 49ers come out.
Anything can happen here.
Launching the pass deep down the right side. It's caught. Drop is there for the tackle.
Go, 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 go.
The huddle.
Go, 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 go.
Gets rid of it. It was tipped. And the cornerback is able to tip it away from the intended receiver.
Got a good sense of knowing where the ball will come down and when to make his move.
We got 6
They'll
seconds.
probably try one long throw downfield. Holt is lined up on the right. He hands it off.
Oh, we're done.
Julian
We're done.
Peterson
We're done.
got to the
We're done.
quarterback
We're done.
again.
We're
His
done.
2nd sack.
Well, right now, he's having his way at the line. It doesn't seem like they're going to be able to slow him down anytime soon.
Dang.
To the end of this one.
27
And
to
the score is
17.
27-17.
Could have made a
This
comeback,
is Al
but I
Michaels
messed
with
up.
John Madden saying goodbye for EA Sports.
Dang. Aaron Rodgers loses against Alex Smith. That's not going to be good on his rookie season resume. On his rookie of the year resume too. Oh no. We'll see if he can bounce back from this. If we had, he was just concussed for 2 quarters. Ugh, terrible. Let's check out the stats for the game. Rodgers with, a 72 rating. That's actually not that bad. 243 yards, 2 touchdowns, 1 interception, 8 completions, 28 attempts. Not that good, but we'll do better. We'll choose the ball more wisely. 6 sacks, terrible. He was out for a quarter. Sucks. We could have asked for more. Torrey Hole, 179 yards, 1 touchdown. Great thing. Kerry Colbert, he hit us with that 30-yard touchdown. Couple sacks here. The blocking was very good. Brock Lesnar did good, 3 tackles, It's his first year, so, yeah. But let's see what Alex Smith did. Statistically, Aaron Rodgers did better, but his team just went all out. Yeah, his team just nonstop. It was the defense, A lot. Andre Carter's there, they did decently good. Alrighty.
Insanity at its finest. Firestar.
Alright, next week we go against the Cardinals. So that'll be it for today's video. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know if there's anything I need to work on in this game. Tough loss, but I think we could catch up with it against the Cardinals. I want to see, before we leave, I want to see what they have. We'll roster. Who will be the guy we're Kurt Warner. Aaron Rodgers versus Kurt Warner coming in next week. That'll be it for today. Catch you later.